Alright, in the house, messing with the laptop. It did turn back on. I let it dry out for 24 hours. But when it tries to load Windows, it flashes a blue screen, then it goes to system restore, system repair. I tried the system repair, I tried the system restore. Neither one of those works. It flashes a blue screen that says something like, I forgot exactly what it said. Here, wait, I'll get a picture of it. And that's the error I was getting. I did as it said, but all I could do was restart it because nothing else had been changed. It just got rained on. So I went to this website right there. I downloaded that one right there. And then I ran it and put in a USB drive, and I had it send a boot CD. Well, it's still trying to do it. A boot CD to a USB drive. Click F12 as it tries to load up, and then went into BIOS, and then I went down to boot sequence and set the first boot to USB storage device. But yeah, I just let it sit in front of a fan for like 24 hours, and I opened up everything I could. I actually took the CD readable, I took it all the way out. I just opened everything I could, kept it open, and just set it in front of the fan for 24 hours. And it poured the rain on it. I mean, it stormed on it. It was shut, but it poured. I think they said it rained 2 inches. So when you download that, store it to the computer you're using, and then run it on the computer that you're using. It'll ask you if you want to do it on this computer, or if you want to create a boot drive. It'll do a CD rewritable, or it'll do a USB drive. I chose a USB drive, and it took it, I don't know, 20 minutes to download to it. But there's the USB drive, and it downloaded everything to it. So I'll take the USB drive out and put it in the laptop. Alright, we got the USB drive in the laptop. It's set to USB storage device. So we'll hit exit. It should try to start up. Look, you can see me on the computer. See what it does. It's thinking about it. Alright, now we got that going on. Yay! So hopefully installing Windows will fix it. I'm just going to follow the on-screen instructions. It's weird how that corrupted my Windows and the computer still works though. Maybe it just got a bad spot on the hard drive. Corrupted the Windows. And the process has begun. Alright, I believe it installed everything. And then we'll just... Uh-oh. Now it's wanting to install it again. Not good. Well, instead of trying to install again, I turned the computer off, started it back on. It asked me if I wanted Windows 10 or Windows 7. Clicked on Windows 10. And now it's doing this. Alright, about after 30 minutes of saying getting ready in the spin circle, it restarted, and now it's doing this. And the reason it went to back to the install page that one time was because the boot sequence was set to this first. So that's why after it did everything and then restarted, it went back to that. I shut it off, took the thumb drive out, and then turned it back on. It did some loading stuff, and then it did a spinning wheel getting ready for 30 minutes. And then it rebooted, and now it's doing this, and it said something about the disk, and then went to 100% and then went back to this. And now we're on this. It went to this. Well, I've never seen Windows do this. It's giving me a voice tutorial. So it just goes through the basic questions. Where are you from? Time and date, keyboard, Wi-Fi, etc. Alright, after answering a million questions and declining a bunch of stuff they were offering, it went to this. Yay, we got Windows 10. It had like Windows 7 in it before or something like that. But anyway, now it works. Now I'm going to try to see if I can find my old programs in here. I don't know why it wouldn't repair itself if it took a new set of windows. That's odd. It'll save a file in here called Windows Old on your hard drive. And that's your old stuff. I'm going to try to pull everything out of that I had that I want to keep. Alright, everything's done. I went F12. Changed the F12 as it was loading up. Put it in BIOS. Changed the boot sequence back to the hard drive. That's all done. Whew. I'm happy that's fixed. And I was able to pull everything from the old Windows, put it back on the computer. So now we can tune my car and Christopher's car. That could have been way worse, but glad it works.